Hey guys, can you build muscle and burn fat at the same time? Well, stick around and I will answer that for you. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and in this video I'm going to answer a commonly asked question. Is it possible to build muscle and lose fat at the same time? All right, the answer to that is yes, absolutely it is, all right? Contrary to what you're gonna hear, there's a lot of people out there that say you actually can't do it, but it's basically recomposition. I've done it with a lot of people do it all the time. So yes, you can do it, but you gotta do things strictly. And the nutrition aspect is where you need to really focus and make sure you're putting all your attention into your nutrition to make that happen. What you want to focus on is carb cycling, all right? Carb cycling is the #1 way to do that. Carb cycling will help you balance your hormones. And that's the key to building muscle, and it's also the key to losing fat. So if you're optimizing your hormones, that's a lot more important than the calories in, calories out that you hear all the time, all right? Keep that in mind. Hormone balancing is the key to doing both, doing them simultaneously. All right. What you want to optimize, you want to optimize the hormones that are responsible for building muscle, growth hormone, testosterone, IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor. Those are the things that you really want to maximize. At the same time, you want to focus on minimizing your estrogen levels. That's going to be key. Epinephrine, norepinephrine. Those are all things in cortisol. You want to reduce those things. So you combine the both, you're going to optimize your hormone levels, you're going to minimize the damaging hormones, and then you're going to get tremendous benefits. All right, so like I said, I recommend the carb cycling. Here's the main thing that you're going to get with carb cycling. You're going to get carbs when you need your carbs. You don't need them all of the time. However, you want them to function optimally. So you're going to get carbs when you work out. You're going to earn your carbs. You're going to get them for recovery, for energy balance. You want energy to fuel very intense workouts. That's the other thing. You're going to want to make sure you're getting proper workouts in to build that muscle and to boost your metabolism. If you're boosting your metabolism, you're going to be burning fat constantly. And if you're building muscle, you're going to be burning fat also. So just keep that in mind. That's the primary goal. So compound lifts, workout, resistance training, 4 days a week. 4 days a week, high enough intensity, getting carbs to fuel the workouts and getting carbs for recovery. Those are going to be ideal for you. So if you do that, you're going to be able to do both. You're going to do both simultaneously. But also make sure you're getting good lean protein. You want your good lean protein sources, your chicken, your grass-fed beef, whole eggs, all of those protein sources. You want your good essential fats, your avocado, your oils, olive oil, coconut oil, that's another good MCT oil. There's a lot of good essential fats that you need to make sure you're getting. And then your fibrous carbs. On the days that you're not getting your complex carbs, the days that you're not working out, you want your fibrous carbs, your broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, green leafy veggies, your cruciferous vegetables. So you want to make sure you're getting those every day. Those are going to help you function optimally, and you're going to get a lot of macros and micros by doing that. All your micronutrients that you're going to get from all of the vegetables. So you want to make sure you're getting those along with all of your macros from your proteins, carbs, and fats. But yes, you can do it. I've done it personally. I've done it with a lot of people. You can do it. You just have to optimize those other things, the nutrition, the workouts. Do both of those and you will get tremendous results. So again, the answer to the question, yes, you can do those simultaneously. Carb cycling is the key to doing that. So nutrition, that's going to be paramount if that's your goal. But all right, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of other videos out. We've got videos on the actual workouts you can be doing to go along with the carb cycling as well. I've also got a full-blown program for you. It's going to make things easy. Ripped After 40 program. It's got carb cycling in it. It's got the actual workouts for you. It's got cardio plans for you. It's designed for older guys. It's going to help minimize joint damage. And it's designed to help you do both. Okay, there's different phases. There's different strategies that are going to help you optimize your hormone levels, optimize your metabolism, build muscle, and burn fat. So the program, again, Ripped After 40, there's a link in the description box you can go to check that out. But if you have any questions about any of what I'm saying, then comment below, let me know. If not, give this video a thumbs up, like it. And guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.